What's up, YouTube? So today I have my IBM Selectric II I wanted to show y'all. I've had a couple Selectric ones in the past. They're really cool, old school typewriters. What's cool about them is they have this round, I think they call them stylus, I'm not sure. And you can change those out for different fonts and whatnot. This one's really cool. It's in great shape. I didn't see any paint chips whatsoever. Oh, I just misspoke. Looks like it's a little bit worn on this corner. Not very bad. I just very difficult to catch that. But I'm just gonna type something here. Let's see. How about hello world? HELLO world. And I typed hello world. As you can see, the ink is kind of dry. You probably need a replacement. You probably need a replacement ribbon. But it's in good shape. This has got the auto correcting feature. I have no idea how to do it. But in any case, pretty cool old unit. Hope you enjoyed this, YouTube. Until next time, see ya. Peace out. Later.